sketchy offload of the BMW M5 F90, guys. Welcome back to the channel GALEXCARS, where we repair, refurbish and cars from the auctions for our clients and ourselves, guys. This M5 F90 came to us from our client from Germany, and we already taken it from the body shop. It was full painted, and now I am delivered this car to the electric shop in the Poland, in the city of Poznań. It's our partner's location, the BTC Performance Center, guys, which make BMW. Mostly they coding cars, they repair suspension, engines, gearboxes, and make BMW drive which are not drivable or which need repairs. This trailer I was using for 2 years already, and now it will be the trickiest part because these side steps are jumping when you go back to the land, so it's a tricky part because you think that it sometimes can be ended not very successful, but I've made it a lot of times and I was sure that all will be fine this time, and my friend Bogdan was controlling all the process. You see, these things makes a big load and they are sketchy to the offload. Stay tuned, subscribe to our page. We will post a lot of videos about the repairing of this M5 F90 and other projects such as Land Rover, Range Rover Sport 2020 Hybrid and a lot of other cars.